Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to reset your Nissan Altima's oil maintenance light. This is a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, make sure your car's ignition is turned to the on position, but do not start the engine. This allows the dashboard display to power on without the engine running, which is crucial for the next steps. Next, you'll use the control buttons, usually located on the left side of your steering wheel, to navigate the menus on your dashboard display. Cycle through the options until you find either Settings or Maintenance. The exact wording might vary slightly, but these are the common terms you're looking for to access the service reminders. Once you've found the Maintenance menu selected, then you'll need to locate and choose Oil and Filter, or sometimes Oil System Control. Within this specific menu, you should see an option to reset. Select this option and then confirm your choice. This action tells your Altima's system that the oil change has been completed. After confirming the reset, the oil maintenance light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating the process was successful. Some Altima models also allow you to customize the oil change interval, perhaps setting it to 5,000 or 7,500 miles. Remember to always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and model-specific instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.